Hard work always pays off. Have you heard that saying before? Is it really true? Welcome to the Golden Hour. We're going to be talking about common questions that leaders ask. And one of the common phrases that leaders are taught is you got to work hard because hard work always pays off. I see that there's some truth to that, but it's not the complete answer. Because have you ever noticed that there are some people who work really hard, yet they don't always achieve the outcome or the desired result that they want? And are you currently working hard? Have you currently been working hard in your career path? How many years have you worked hard? Are you at the level where you want to be? Have you achieved the advancement you desire to have? You see, it's part of the answer. It isn't the full answer. So here's what I want to provide: a full and complete response to working hard. Right? When it comes to hard work is equated to implementation. And implementation is the lowest level of value in the marketplace, because implementation is when you come in and you are the hired hands. You're hired to do a thing. But chances are you want to be a strategic leader. You want to be influential in your organization. You want to be a trusted voice and advisor to your senior executives. That requires less and less implementation, and it requires more and more communication. So when it comes to working hard, well, it depends. What are you working hard in? Are you working hard in your performance metrics, in implementation, in administration work, in technical abilities? Or are you working hard at developing yourself to become the person who communicates powerfully, who communicates effectively, who communicates persuasively? What are you working hard on? It depends. You see, whatever you work hard on, that's where you will gain momentum. And momentum means that there is movement, because the opposite of momentum is inertia, where there's no movement, you're standing still. Everybody stands still at one point, there's stagnancy, and the initial inertia is the most difficult part to get over. But here's the thing about momentum: just because you're moving doesn't mean you're moving in the right direction. You see, momentum is a vector quantity, which means it has a direction. There is a quantity to it. How much movement are you? How fast are you moving? And how much movement you have? You might be thinking, well, I'm moving fast. I'm doing a lot every day. Sure, the quantity is high, but momentum is a vector quantity. Which direction are you putting that effort towards? Is it the direction you want to be heading? If you are implementing hard and focusing on the technical aspects of your work, you may be experiencing momentum. But remember, momentum is a vector quantity. The direction that you're moving is towards implementation, is not towards communication. So this is important when you think about hard work. You see, it's only half the equation that hard work produces outcomes. You got to understand momentum, the direction that you're moving. You got to understand the outcome you want to be producing, and you got to understand what level of value are you working hard in. So that's why I have created something called the Career Growth Codex, where the codex shows you exactly, and it pinpoints exactly where to put your focus, your time, your energy, and your intellect. Where do you focus that depending on what stage of career you're in, so that you can get to your next level if you desire to go to that next level. And if you don't desire to get to that next level, then how do you thrive in the current level that you're in? What do you got to be focusing on? That's why I created the Career Growth Codex. So the most important pieces here is to understand that focus is the foundation of your hard work. What are you focusing on? What tier of value are you focusing on? And which direction that you're focusing in?